Namaste, dear friends and readers. Today we will be chanting a Skanda Stotra from Vanaparva. This is found in the 233rd Adhyaya of Vanaparva of Mahabharata. This is a conversation between Yudhishthira and Markandeya Maharshi. He teaches Yudhishthira a stotra containing various names of Skanda, who is also known as Bhagavan Kartikeya, Swami, Mahasena, and in Tamil speaking places he is known as Murugan. He is the son of Lord Shiva. Let us chant his stotra now. Yudhishthira uvacha Bhagavan shrotumichchami namani cha mahatmanah trishu lokeshu yanyasya vikhyatani dvijottama. Vaishampayana uvacha ityuktah pandaveyena mahatma rishi sannidhau uvacha bhagavanstatra Markandeyo Mahatapaha. Markandeya uvacha Agneyashchaiva skandascha Deepta kirtiranamayaha Mayuraketurdharmatma Bhutesho mahishardanaha Kamajit kamadah kamtaha Satyavag bhuvaneshwaraha Shishushigras shuchischando Deeptavarnah shubhananah Amoghastvanaghorauddrah Priyaschandrananastatha Deeptashaktif prashantatma Bhadrakukkuta Shashti priyascha dharmahatma Pavitro matruvatsalah Kanya bharta vibhaktascha Swaheyo revati sutah Prabhurneta vishakascha Naigameyo sudushcharaha Suvrato lalitaschaiva Balakridanakapriyah Khachari brahmachari cha Shurasharavanodbhavah Vishwamitra priyaschaiva Devasena priyastatha Vasudeva priyaschaiva Priyah priyakridevatu Namanyetani divyani Kartikeyasya yah patet Swargam kirtim dhanam chaiva Salabennatra samshayah Stoshyami devair rishibhischa jushtam Shaktya guham namabhiraprameyam Shadananam shaktidharam suviram Nibodha chaitani kuru pravira Brahmanyo vai brahmajo brahmavichcha Brahmeshayo brahmavatam varishtah Brahmapriyo brahmana sarvamantri Tvam brahmanam brahmananam chaneta Swaha swadha tvam paramam pavitram Mantrastutastvam prathitah shadarchihi Samvatsaras Tvam ritavascha shadvai Masardhamasascha dinam dishascha Tvam pushkarakshastvaravinda Sahasra chakshosi Sahasra bahuhu Tvam lokapalaf paramam havischa Tvam bhavanas sarvasuraasuranam Tvameva senadhipatih prachandah Prabhurvibhushchapyatha shakrajeta Sahasra bhustvam dharani tvameva Sahasra tushtischa sahasra bhukcha Sahasra shirshastvam anantarupah Sahasra patvam dasha shaktidhari Gangasutastvam swamatena deva Swaha mahi krittikanam tathaiva Tvam kridase shanmukha kukkutena यथेष्ट नानाविधकामरूपी दीक्षासि सोमो मरुतः सदैव धर्मोऽसि वायुरचलेन्द्र इन्द्रः सनातनानामपि शाश्वतस्त्वं प्रभुः प्रभूणामपि चोग्रधन्वा ऋतस्य कर्ता दितिजान्तकस्त्वं जेता रिपूणां प्रवरसुराणाम् सूक्ष्मं तपस्तत्परमं त्वमेव परावरज्ञोऽसि परावरस्त्वं धर्मस्य कामस्य परस्य चैव त्वत्तेजसा कृत्स्नमिदं महात्मन् व्याप्तं जगत्सर्वसुरप्रवीर शक्त्या मया संस्तुतलोकनाथ नमोऽस्तु ते द्वादश नेत्रबाहो अतः परं वेद्मि गतिं न तेऽहम् स्कन्दस्य य इदं विप्रः पठेज्जन्म समाहितः श्रावयेद् ब्राह्मणेभ्यो यः शृणुयाद्वाद्विजेरितं धनमायुर्यशोदीप्तं पुत्रान् शत्रुजयं तथा सपुष्टितुष्टि सम्प्राप्य स्कन्दसालोक्यमाप्नुयात् इति श्री स्कन्दस्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्. Whoever recites these names of Skanda will attain Swarga, heaven, after death, Kirti, fame and popularity, Dhanam, money and monetary wealth, there is no doubt to it. And who recites this stotra to those who are devoted to Brahman and those who listen to this stotra from them, they get wealth, long life, popularity and fame, good sons and daughters, victory over enemies, nourishment and strength, and also satisfaction. Having attained all this, after their soul leaves their body, they attain the abode of Skanda. Such is the Palashruti of this stotra. Thank you for listening.